Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your lag in Marvel Rivals. So if you have any trouble running the game smoothly, luckily for you, I have a few solutions that may optimize your gameplay. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is go into your settings, and you want to select under display, and the first option you'll see is display mode. You want to set this to full screen, as full screen is the most optimal for higher FPS. For aspect ratio, we want to keep this as is. For resolution, we want to keep this at your native resolution. For anti-aliasing and super resolution type, you want to click on the option that relates to your graphics card. So for NVIDIA graphics card, you will select the NVIDIA option. For AMD graphics card, you will select the AMD option. And for Intel graphics card, you'll select the Intel option. Now if we keep going down, you'll see super resolution mode. This we want to set at native. And for super resolution sharpening, you want to keep this as is. For frame generation mode, you want to turn this same as the anti-aliasing and super resolution type based off your graphics card. So for NVIDIA, AMD, and AMD. Now if we keep going down, for brightness, you'll see you can adjust it. That's based off of user preference. It does not make that big of a difference. Same thing with limit FPS. This does not make a difference. Show FPS, if you want to show your FPS, simply show it. That doesn't make a big difference. And we want to keep scrolling down until we see graphics. Now here we can click on optimize graphics, and this will optimize your graphics to be the specs of your PC. So if we click on it, as you can see, my PC is pretty good, so it's automatically set to high. Though if you want to change it, you can simply change it to low to get even more FPS. Now this is finished. We'll go on to the Windows optimization part. Now that we're finished optimizing the game settings, we now want to optimize our windows. So what you want to do is go into your search bar and type in settings, and you want to navigate to apps. Once you are here, you want to go to startups, and you want to turn off as many startups as possible. Now the reason for this is because startups consume a lot of resources, which will impact your gameplay. Once you finish that, you want to go to gaming, and you want to go to game bar and make sure that's turned off. Now go back, go to game mode, and you want to make sure game mode is turned on. Once you're finished with that, you want to navigate to graphics, and under graphics, if you find Marvel Rivals, you are good. If you don't, you want to click on browse, and you want to find the Marvel Rivals folder. So I'll leave this in the description so that you can type it into your downloads bar and you can add it. Now once it's added, you want to click on it, and you want to click on options, and you want to make sure that the graphics preference is under high performance. You want to click on save, and now you want to go to your search bar once more and type in device manager. And what you're looking for is display adapters. And you want to make sure that you click on your main graphics card, right click, and update drivers. So you want to search automatically for drivers, and it'll tell you if the best drivers for your device have already been installed. Now if this also doesn't work, what you can do is you can go into a website and type in your graphics card along with drivers. And what you can do is go to the main page of whatever company graphics card you have and download their drivers software. Now for NVIDIA, they have the NVIDIA app, which I can simply open and click under drivers. And as you can see, my drivers are up to date, but if yours are not, there will be a green install button right here. Now those are all the ways that you can optimize your game. I hope that your lag is reduced, and if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.